Hello, Cleverson and David. So I found the motor here, and we're going to change for 110 to 220. Alright, so this is a little scheme on the side of the motor, on the label. Okay, so here, open up the box on the side of the motor, and I found the capacitor and the wires. Alright, all the wires are labeled with numbers. Alright, all of them has numbers. Okay, you see there T4, and another one here T1. Okay, and here you just need to follow this order. Alright, and we're going to do the isolation too, so you know which one you have to isolate and leave it out so you don't have a short circuit. Okay, so we're going to show the isolation and how to put the wires all together. So first we're going to do the connection of T8, T2, and T3. Locate all the wires and put them together. Again, this is T8, T2, and T3. Alright, so he's going to put the tape on it so it stays out and you won't have a short circuit. Não é curto circuito, tá? Alright, so he did the first isolation. Okay, connecting T8, 2, and 3. Okay, so now he's going to connect T5 to one side of the capacitor. Okay, this one he's going to isolate too. Alright, so now, as you can see, T5 and one side of the capacitor, one wire of the capacitor, are isolated. Okay, continue. Alright, so what we have now, we have T1 to the other wire of the capacitor. Okay, and we have T4 by itself. Those ones is the one that should go to the energy connection. Okay, these ones you're going to plug the
Okay, so now we're going to do the connection on the cable. Okay, this is T4 and you're going to connect to the plug, okay, to the cable. Alright, so just a quick reminder, this is a 220 wiring connection. Okay, so now we're going to take T1 and the one side of the capacitor, okay, T1 and the other wire from the capacitor and connect to the plug also.
Just a quick reminder, we did this test without plugging the switch. Alright, without plugging the on and off switch. So before you do this connection, plug in the switch. If the IM-30 obviously has a switch, so if you have a switch, you have to remove this and do the correct connection for the switch to work. Alright, so now we're going to close the box with the capacitor on the wire connected. Okay, and then we're gonna test the motor. Esse valor que não tá fechando, sabia? Alright, so we're putting all the 4 screws back in. Now we're going to test the motor. Alright, so we're going to connect a 220 plug. Alright. There you go. You can hear it running, and I believe you should be seeing it. Alright. Now let me take it off the plug. There. Again, a 220 plug. And then I plug back in. And there you go. The motor's running. All set. And you're all set to go.